Hello YouTube. This civilization has a strange, mysterious name, Mehrgarh. But maybe it's mysterious and strange to us, but not to the people who belong to this civilization. Its geographical range was in the Balochistan region in Pakistan, between the years 7000 to 2000 before Common Era in South Asia. Here, later, during archaeological excavations, agricultural objects of a developed culture were found near the Bolan Pass, west of the Indus River Valley and between the modern Pakistani urban areas of Quetta, Kalat, and Sibi. Settlements of that civilization have been found. This culture is considered the ancient ancestor of the Harrapan civilization, that really mysterious ancient civilization that I have done a few videos on. You can find them in my channel. There are several hypotheses of the origin of the Mehrgarh civilization. According to one of them, the Mehrgarh civilization came from the Middle East. According to another hypothesis, this culture has an independent origin. The people of the civilization of the city of Mehrgarh lived in the buildings of raw bricks. In the old site of Mehrgarh, evidence was found that this culture had very developed agriculture. Civilization placed great emphasis on growing grain crops. True, there were no signs of the existence of a water supply system among the representatives of the civilization. It is also known that goats and sheep were raised in Mehrgarh. It has been determined that the zebu cows were independently domesticated in this region. Between the years 5500 and 26 before Common Era, in Mehrgarh, handicrafts, leather tanning, metal working, and jewelry production were developed. This civilization mastered the skill of mold casting for copper products. The Mehrgarh culture region was inhabited continuously until 2600 before Common Era, and we'll get to that date a little bit later. The Mehrgarh burials are similar to those at Ali Kosh in the Zagros Mountains in southern Iran. Many clay figurines of Mehrgarh have been found, which are similar to the figurines from the town of Tepezadeh near the city of Kazvin in Iran. It is also known that cotton was first grown in Mehrgarh. The civilization of that city existed, like I said, for several millennia. I think it was gone definitely by 2000 before Common Era. During this time, there were several different periods in the history of this culture. The first period can be called a ceramic because the people of the civilization did not produce ceramics. Archaeologists found baskets, stone tools, bones, beads, bracelets, and pendants in the settlements. It was found that the people of Mehrgarh culture had knowledge in the field of dentistry. Very interesting. I believe the last operation that we can prove through archaeological excavations and so forth was performed in 4500 before Common Era, not since then. The second and third periods are marked by the use of ceramics and terracotta, as well as red ochre paint. Representatives of this culture began to use stone and copper drills, kilns, large furnaces for smelting copper ore, and crucibles for smelting pure copper. From the 4th to the 7th period, the development of Mehrgarh culture experienced stagnation and decline. And these events begin about 3500 before Common Era. Also very significant for Sumer of the time. Somewhere between the 2600 to 2000 before Common Era, the city of Mehrgarh is gradually abandoned by people. It becomes abandoned. People who left the city moved during that period towards Harappa, Mohenjo-Daro, and also to now Sharo, which is located about 6 kilometers south of Mehrgarh. It is known that the period of the city's decline coincided with a catastrophic drought in 2200 before Common Era. What is unique is that the city of Mehrgarh, well, in that city in 7,000 before Common Era, 25,000 people lived in it. 25,000. About the same time of people altogether lived in ancient Egypt at that time. At the same time, the Mehrgarh culture was very majestic and developed for that time, and it is defined by researchers as the predecessors of the Indus civilization. Mehrgarh was discovered and excavated by an international team led by French archaeologist Jean-François Jarige. The site was excavated continuously between 1974 and 1986 by the French Archaeological Mission in collaboration with the Department of Archaeology of Pakistan. I'll tell you one thing, unlike other ancient civilizations, the Indus River Valley civilization, built in the Indus River Valley, modern-day India, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, does not appear to have been war-torn. Historians and archaeologists instead point to sophisticated organized city planning, complete with uniform baked brick homes, a grid structure and drainage, sewage and water supply systems. The Old Kingdom in Egypt, Sumer, China of the Yellow Emperor period, and after, and more. This was time of great natural disasters, time of celestial cataclysms, and also time of the purported celestial being exploring the earth, providing knowledge and skills to the earthlings. Please see my videos about ancient China, the Yellow Emperor, about Sumer and so forth. This was a great and very interesting period, something that needs to be researched, and I'm sure one day it will be in greater detail. Thank you for your attention to my work. If you like my videos, please support me in the links you'll find to the description to this video. Please like my videos and please subscribe to my channel.